Chapter 8-2 notes solve systems of equations by substitution. Okay, on example 1, you're given two lines, x equals negative 3y plus 1, that's the first line, and 4x minus 3y equals negative 11, that's the second line, and you're looking for the point of intersection, which is called the solution. So we're going to use substitution to rewrite the two equations as one, and that's because you can't solve an equation that has two variables, so we have to try to make it so it's just one variable. So we're going to take the x equals negative 3y plus 1, and we're going to substitute that into the second equation where there's an x. So there is an x right here, so we're going to put the negative 3y plus 1 in there, minus 3y equals negative 11, that's the second equation. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it in, negative 3y plus 1 in place of the x, and then we're going to solve. Now that we have only one variable, y, we're going to solve for y. So do distributive property. So when you do distributive property, the 4 gets multiplied to everything inside the parentheses. So 4 times negative 3y is negative 12y, plus 4 times 1 is 4, minus 3y equals negative 11. Okay, so now we're going to take this positive 4 and subtract it. So now we have all the letters together and the numbers together. So we have negative 12y minus 3y, that's negative 15y, equals, and on the right side we have negative 11 minus 4, that's negative 15. So now you're going to divide by negative 15, divide by negative 15, and you get y equals 1. Okay, now because this is a point of intersection, that only gives us the y-coordinate of where the line crosses each other. So to find the x-coordinate, what we do is we look at this, we look at what we circled, and now that we know that y equals 1, we're going to take the y equals 1, and put it in there. So now we have 3 times 1, so to find x, it's negative 3 times, we know that y is 1, plus 1, so x equals negative 3 plus 1, which equals negative 2. So the x-coordinate is negative 2. So that's the point of intersection for the two lines. Okay, example 2, x plus y equals 6 is the first line, and x equals y plus 2 is the second line. Okay, we're going to try to find one that's where it's an x equals or y equals. So we're going to look at the second one because it says x is equal to y plus 2. So whatever x is, it's equal to y plus 2. So we're going to take that and put it in here to replace the x. So I know that x equals y plus 2, so I'm going to put y plus 2 in place of the x. Okay, so now we have y plus 2 plus y equals 6. All I did was I took the y plus 2 and stuck it in place of the x. Okay, now that gives me 2y, because y plus y is 2y, plus 2 equals 6. Subtract 2, 2y equals 4, divide by 2, y equals 4 divided by 2 is 2. So now that I know that y is 2, I'm going to go back and put it into my original circle. Okay, and so that's x equals, I know that y is 2 plus the 2, so x equals 4. So then my point of intersection is going to be at 4, 2. X goes here, y goes here. So that's the point of intersection for the two lines.